Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the MobiMint 10-inch ring light. Now, these are all the accessories as well as the actual ring light that you find within the packaging. We'll go through the assembly process in a step-by-step fashion. First, we need to assemble the mount for your smartphone. Remove the nut, the plastic nut. Take your gooseneck and press it into the backside. It snaps into place. Then take the nut, slide it over the gooseneck and tighten. Now this allows you to adjust your mobile phone. You can also bend the gooseneck for added flexibility. We'll straighten this back up, tighten this a little, and that will cease movement. Then we'll take the ring light. On the top, you have a little 5x8 inch mount, which is where your phone mount goes in. So slip this in and tighten. Next up is mounting the ring light onto the light stand. To do that, you need a ball joint, which is also given to you as an accessory within the package. It also has a little spacer on top. This is what you would use if you are mounting a DSLR or mirrorless camera, but that's not the case over here. So we'll remove the spacer. And this long screw, that is a 5/8 screw, we'll be inserting that into the base of your ring light. So that's the screw hole into which you'll be mounting the ball joint. Ensure that you insert it all the way properly to give it rigidity. Once that's done, you can unscrew this little knob over here. And that allows you to move the ball joint around as you see fit to get the right angle for your shot. We'll be tightening it back up for now. So now you have the mobile phone holder installed in your ring light and a little ball joint placed at the bottom of your ring light for it to be mounted on the light stand. We'll take the light stand, place it over here. We'll unscrew the first knob of the extension. This will allow you to move or rather rotate the boom, the extensible boom of your light stand. Bring the ball joint up to the light stand. Once you've mated it properly, just rotate it. And you can see that it's going all the way in. Ensure that it is firmly screwed in. Once that's done, you can extend it or keep it retracted as you see fit. Now you've mounted your ring light as well as the mobile phone holder properly. Next is to mount your smartphone. Now this is a 6.5 inch smartphone, which you can easily mount within the ring light. As you can see, it fits properly. Now the choice is yours whether you want to either have the smartphone ahead in a portrait orientation, that is like this, or if you want it in landscape orientation, that is like this. Either way, adjust the gooseneck as well as the ball joint at the back to get the right orientation. We'll be going for portrait, so we'll keep it like this. We'll tighten the gooseneck. We'll flip it around and we'll tighten the gooseneck. Once that's done, you need to install your smartphone. To do that, the mobile phone holder is spring-loaded and extensible. Just need to place the mobile phone against one side and pull and slot it back in. So now that your phone is installed, you can adjust it as you see fit. So looking at it from the side, you can adjust it in this manner. You can bring the phone behind the light or move it into landscape mode, in whichever mode that you want for your shot. And that's how you set up the MobiMint 10-inch ring light. Thank you for watching.